If you want to learn how to make this beautiful and simple macrame bracelet, keep watching. And to make this bracelet, we're gonna need Korean cord, a lighter, some scissors, some measuring tape, and also a couple of stainless steel golden beads. So for this bracelet, we're going to use our measuring tape and we're going to cut about 15 inches of cord for each side. And another 10 to put them together. So we're going to take this on a side, and the next thing we're going to do is pass our cord through the bead of our charm. And try to measure that they are roughly halfway, like this. Then we can simply make a knot. We'll do the same on the other side. And if the cord doesn't go through, we use our lighter, always on the bottom side of the flame or the blue side of the flame, so our cord doesn't go black. And now you can see that it goes easily through our bead. Again, we measure our cord so they sit halfway through, and we make our knot. Now for the closure, we're going to take both sides and we're going to sit them straight next to the other, like this. You can see they are parallel next to the other. And now we'll take the other piece of cord that we cut, fold it in half, and to make that macrame knot that is gonna join this tail together, we're gonna form a C or a P. So we're gonna take our thread and we're gonna go under this one and under all the cords through the other side, both sides. And we have our first knot. Now we made our P from this side, so now we're gonna make our P on this side. And the way we know where we need to make our P is we need to make sure that the thread is coming from the bottom of the knot. So I know that I need to make my P on this side, so we make our P, make sure that the cords are straight, and then we take this one, it goes above the one that we just used to make the P, and then under all my cords and through the P that we just made. So we'll pull tight, and we have our second one. Again, this cord is coming from the top, this one is coming from the bottom, so I know that my P has to be on this side. So we make our P, we take this thread, we put it through here, and then under all our cords and our P. Pull tight, and I'm going to do it one more time. So again, my P, and then this comes above the P, and then under all the cords and under the P. Now on this side, I do my P. This is above this one and under the P. Once again, and I think this looks good like this. So we pull tight, and we just trim our ends on each side. And now we take our lighter, and again, using the bottom of the flame or the blue part, we burn the ends so this doesn't come undone. Now, all that is left to do is measure our bracelet so it goes through our hand or arm. And once you see that it's easy to go through our arm, we measure that there's the same length. Out of the way. We just measure that this is the same length, and we can end this with a simple knot like this one, or we can add a couple of golden beads at the end. So to do that, we're going to use our lighter again. In this case, I'm going to use golden beads. So we just need to pass our cord through the bead. We use the scissors to make it easier. And now we simply make a knot, put it in place, cut the excess, burn it so this doesn't come undone. We do the same on the other side. And it's done. So again, super easy to make, and it looks very, very pretty. And this is the final bracelet. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss the next one. But before you go, I just wanted to show you another version. Another version of the bracelet. This one is made with a paracord grenade bracelet. And all I did was attach a couple of jump rings on each end to the charm. So, what do you think? I think it looks pretty cute. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see next. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!